Over 30% of students found reported feeling sexually harassed or intimidated while in their current educational institution.
Reports have shown that 1 in 7 people will experience some form of unwanted sexual experience during their time in college.
We can no longer stick our heads in the sand and pretend that these incidents don't occur. It could happen to any one of us, and unfortunately it has already happened to many.
It is essential that we take collective action to ensure the safety, equality and full participation of the 15,000 UL students, both academic and support university staff, as well as all those who visit the campus.
We are erecting this mural with huge support from the university as a statement, and we are saying that these incidents of sexual harassment, intimidation and violence will not be tolerated here in the University of Limerick. It stops now.